Let's make Bok Choy Kimchi. In Korean, it's 청경채 kimchi. First, we're going to cut the bok choy in half lengthwise like so. And you will have 4 equal sections, and you want to trim the ends like this. And now you have to give it a good wash so everything is sparkly clean. Take a large mixing bowl and add your sea salt. It should be the coarse sea salt into the water and dissolve it really well. Then you want to drop your bok choy into the water, making sure it's coated nicely with the brine. And you want to let it sit here for 35 minutes and turn it over halfway. Now let's make the magic sauce. We're going to put the gochugaru, minced garlic, and plum extract, also called 매실. And this is the anchovy sauce and corn syrup. You could also use 올리고당 or honey. I just added some sugar and salt. And now let's mix it all together. This is the super yummy sauce that's gonna make bok choy kimchi super tasty. All right, once we got it all mixed up, let's check on the bok choy. Yes, they are ready. You want to rinse it once and squeeze it gently. And now put it back into the bowl, pour the magic sauce, and get your plastic gloves on because we are going to marinate the bok choy just like so. Work it in there gently. Don't break the leaves, but yes, work it in there. It can be very therapeutic. So let's keep on doing it. And now add your chopped onions and scallions and give it another toss and a mix. Just like so. Doesn't it look delicious? It's gonna turn out so well. Trust me. And now you want to get your container ready with a tight seal. You want to place the kimchi in here. I don't dump it in. I place it very gently so they brine evenly, and it's quite easy to take it out as well. So yeah, you want to close the lid and leave it in this container for 24 hours in room temperature, and they are ready to be eaten. So tasty. Give it a try, guys.